Hi, it's Lynne with Soft Squares. Today is December 23rd, 2022, which means it's Advent Day number 23. Okay, we've got just a couple days left of the month. I will be doing an Advent Day through the 25th. And so let's see what we have going on today. So this started out with my hopes of having more quilting Advent stuff going on, and I was not able to get as much as I thought I could, so I've been mixing it up a little bit, and honestly the last couple days are just going to be more fun, so please check in anyway, okay? We are not going to have a box to open today. We are going to do something really different. We're not going to do trivia. I'm going to read some interesting things out of this book because it just made me giggle. So I thought I'll share these with you. So no trivia, just some interesting facts. The Totally Awesome Book of Useless Information. I got it off of Amazon. Love it. All right, but let's do our dad jokes first. So what's red and white and falls down chimneys? Santa Claus. What happened to the man who stole an advent calendar? He got 25 days. And what do you call an old snowman? Water. All right, now on to our thought for the day. It is the 23rd. Harry and David's chocolate calendar. Santa Claus will come soon knocking. What will you find in your stocking? My finger over it. Chocolate. And I'll be honest, I'm wanting some chocolate like right now, so that's good. I'm just going to open it up and just start reading. I don't have anything in plan, but I'm just going to read a couple, just hit and miss some things, go through here. Just a couple fun things and send you on your way. Again, please come back tomorrow, and thanks for being patient with me. There are some more things coming up. All right, so did you know sheep snore? Beijing boasts the world's largest Kentucky Fried Chicken. A man once had the hiccups for 68 years. Halley's Comet will next appear in the year 2061. The most common set of initials for Superman's friends and enemies, it is LL. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. The longest place name in the world is a hill in New Zealand, and it's called this. I'm not even going to attempt it. I can't even tell you how many letters there are. All right. Karate originated in India. Napoleon was afraid of cats. Cranberries are sorted for ripeness by bouncing them. A fully ripened cranberry can be dribbled like a basketball. The Oval Office is 35 feet long. The most commonly misspelled word in the English language is supersede, which is spelled S-U-P-E-R-S-E-D-E. A keeper is the loop on a belt that holds the loose end. A cockroach's favorite food is the glue on the back of stamps. Nasty! A giant cockroach in Africa enjoys eating human hair. Ooh, that'd be gross. You might find him near your head. The ancient Romans often paid their taxes in honey. The first cloned animal was Dolly, the lamb, in 1996. Comets speed up as they approach the sun and slow down as they move away from it. The Oreo is the world's best-selling cookie. Texas is the only state that permits residents to vote from space. In ancient Egypt, trained baboons were trained to wait on tables. So they had them waiting on tables. Mexico City sinks about 10 inches a year. All female bees in a hive are sisters. Cows pass gas about 16 times a day. A lion's roar can be heard 5 miles away. Just random, I love it. Useless. Useless. The flounder swims sideways. That's a fish. In Disney Cinderella, Cinderella loses her left shoe at the ball. So I guess people think it's her right, but it's her left. Fingernails are made from the same substance as a bird's beak. The chocolate chip cookie was invented in 1933. More popcorn is sold in Dallas than anywhere else in the US. Pearls will melt in vinegar. Don't get your pearls in vinegar. The world's largest yo-yo is 1,625 pounds. 7% of Americans eat McDonald's every day. Guinness World Records holds the record for the book most often stolen from public libraries. Australia is the only continent without an active volcano. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. Goofy's son is named Goofy Jr. The longest recorded sneeze fit lasted 978 days. Oh, that had to be awful. That's like almost 3 years. It takes an average of 48 to 100 tries to solve a Rubik's Cube puzzle. If done perfectly, any Rubik's Cube combination can be solved in 17 turns. The average person has about 10,000 taste buds. One brow wrinkle is a result of 200,000 frowns. The brain is more active sleeping than it is watching TV. The human heart is about the size of a fist. Men have more blood than women. The world's longest cucumber was 47 inches. Turtles can breathe through their bottoms. If you remember, that was actually a trivia question. All right, that's it for me today. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you tomorrow.